Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your go-to source for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest debates in the crypto world, Bitcoin versus Ethereum. Which one is the better investment? Which one has more potential for the future? And most importantly, where should you put your money? We'll explore their fundamental differences, dissect their investment potential, and tackle the risks head-on. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer and why. Have you invested in either? What's been your experience? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Section 1. Overview of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency created by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. Primary use case, a store of value, also known as digital gold. Limited supply, only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist, making it deflationary. Security and decentralization. The Bitcoin network is the most secure blockchain due to its proof-of-work consensus mechanism. Ethereum launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin. More than just money, Ethereum is a smart contract platform that powers decentralized applications, NFTs. Transitioned to proof-of-stake, Ethereum 2.0 has improved scalability and energy efficiency. No fixed supply. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum has no hard cap, but it introduced a burning mechanism, EIP 1559, to reduce inflation. So, Bitcoin is all about being a store of value, while Ethereum is focused on building a decentralized future. But which is better for investment? Let's break it down. Section 2. Investment potential, store of value versus utility. Bitcoin is often called the digital gold, meaning people invest in it as a hedge against inflation, like they would with real gold. Ethereum, on the other hand, is used actively in DeFi, NFTs, and Web3. This gives it real-world utility beyond just being a store of value. Growth potential. Bitcoin's market cap is the largest in crypto, making it more stable but also limiting its growth potential. Ethereum's market cap is smaller but growing fast, especially as more applications are built on its network. Supply and scarcity. Bitcoin is scarce, 21 million cap, which makes it more deflationary over time. Ethereum's supply is flexible, but with staking and burning, it has the potential to become deflationary as well. Institutional adoption. Bitcoin is widely recognized by institutions, with companies and even countries, like El Salvador, adopting it as legal tender. Ethereum is gaining traction too, especially in the finance and tech industries, due to its smart contract capabilities. So, Bitcoin is safer and proven, while Ethereum has more room for growth and innovation. Section 3. Price performance. Who wins long term? Looking at these numbers, it's clear that both Bitcoin and Ethereum have delivered astronomical returns. Bitcoin has historically been the safer bet, offering more stability. But Ethereum has shown its potential for explosive growth, significantly outperforming Bitcoin during certain bull runs, particularly in 2017 and 2021. This surge was largely fueled by the rapid expansion of its DeFi and NFT ecosystems, showcasing the power of its utility-driven growth. Future price predictions. Bitcoin. The upcoming 2025 halving event could potentially push Bitcoin to $100,000 plus levels. Historically, halving events have acted as catalysts for significant bull runs, due to the reduced supply entering the market. If Bitcoin successfully establishes itself as a global reserve asset, some analysts predict long-term price targets of $500,000 or even higher, based on its scarcity and increasing institutional adoption. Ethereum. If Ethereum manages to flip Bitcoin in market capitalization, a scenario where Ethereum surpasses Bitcoin in total market value, it could potentially see a 3 to 5 times increase from current prices. The continued mass adoption of decentralized finance and the tokenization of real-world assets on the Ethereum network could send Ether prices soaring to $10,000, $20,000 or beyond, as its utility becomes more integral to the global economy. But wait, while these potential gains are exciting, we need to be realistic. These are predictions, not guarantees. The crypto market is notoriously volatile, and there are significant risks involved. Section 4. Risks and challenges. Bitcoin risks. Limited innovation. Bitcoin doesn't change much and lacks programmability. Scalability issues. Transactions can be slow and expensive without layer 2 solutions like the Lightning Network. Ethereum risks. Competition. Other smart contract platforms like Solana, Cardano, and Avalanche are trying to take Ethereum's market share. Gas fees. While Ethereum 2.0 has helped, transaction fees can still be high during network congestion. So, both have risks, but they also have strong use cases. Now, let's answer the big question. Section 5. Which one should you invest in? Choose Bitcoin if you want a long-term store of value with lower risk. You believe in the digital gold narrative. You prefer stability over high growth potential. Choose Ethereum if you want exposure to DeFi, NFTs, and Web3. You believe Ethereum will become the backbone of decentralized applications. You're willing to take on more risk for higher rewards. Or, why not both? Many investors hold both Bitcoin and Ethereum to balance security and growth potential. So, what do you think? Is Bitcoin the king, or will Ethereum take over? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.